Hi, I am out here in Gulf Breeze, Florida, previewing some D.R. Horton houses. This is the Deer Ridge Crossing community. It is a beautiful community in Gulf Breeze. Today we're going to be looking at the Rhett model. It is a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage and about 1,856 square feet. Keep in mind, the great thing about D.R. Horton right now is they do have the lower interest rates. Right now they're as low as 4.5%, and insurance is low because everything is new. So let's take a look at the Rhett model. This is the model home, so that will obviously be the 2-car garage. As you enter, to the right, bedroom 1. Bathroom separating bedroom 1 and 2. Bedroom 2. Laundry. Bedroom 3. Door to the garage. Open concept floor plan. Stainless steel appliances. Dining area. Living area with the dual tray ceiling. And the primary bedroom. Primary bath. Garden tub. Separate shower with the antibacterial. Dual sinks, toilet closet, and the walk-in closet. The master bedroom does have a tree ceiling, recessed lighting, ceiling fans throughout. That is the Rhett model. So that's the Rhett home. If you're interested in this floor plan or any other floor plan that is available in the Deer Ridge Crossing community, along with pricing and terms, reach out to me. I am happy to help. And as always, this is Angie Kent, and I'm bringing smiles home.